Singapore is really a bit of a hub for all of Asia. There have been great collaborations with China and with Japan, but this is opening up a new area.
The medical cost here is quite expensive, so you have to have the means to be able to come here.
Alport is not being diagnosed appropriately and patients are not being treated appropriately.
I have many patients with kidney disease and we don't have the resource to work up for that. Just clinical suspicious, not really to make the diagnosis.
This is a huge pool of children and only the tip of the iceberg can get to Singapore for the treatment or the diagnosis. So that's why it's so important that we actually help train doctors in this region to be able to care for the children in their countries.
I'm just very interested if sport will harm my kidney a lot and maybe stop helping me chasing my dream.
Because my work are mainly focused on the laboratory, so I'd like to get more information on the clinical from the patients. How can we serve them better? How can we help them better?
I have not seen in one room or one meeting come together such a large number of researchers, clinicians, pharmaceutical representatives, and patients and their parents coming together to discuss one disease under one forum.
In India, with the upcoming of the genetics, we are now seeing quite a large number of Alports.
With genetics, if we do it at the right time and the right person, it can give you a lot of benefits. Because we want to save patients from the insurance problem or even the genetic stigmata.
The most important clinical trials that have happened confirmed the key treatment in Alport syndrome, which is what we call RAS blockades. And it was important to have that confirmed and have that in the literature was critical for establishing standards, but also for the world's community to go out to payers, to claim basically coverage for certain treatments.
One exciting project that I will be working with is to actually try to do more extended research on Alport syndrome genetic variants and what would be the interaction between different variants that we will see in patients with kidney disease.
By joining this workshop, I feel like I'm not alone. I'm not the only family that got Alport syndrome. I think it's very good for everyone, I think, with the genetic disease, if they have like community like this to join as well.
I hope there will be Alport Southeast Asia so we can have more meetups so the kids maybe can meet other kids that are similar to them.
After hearing stories from patients and how much it means to them, it gives me the drive to carry on because I know I'm making a difference.